Hey y'all, welcome to Thrifty Tashi. So today I'm so excited to share my bedroom refreshing with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tashi and I love to share how I transform my house into a warm, cozy space with my farmhouse style. So if y'all love content like that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you don't miss on any upcoming videos. This is my second time refreshing my bedroom on a budget, and if you missed my first video, I'll link it above. During the spring I also refreshed my bedroom, but if you notice, that was more of like an antique kind of feel, and I noticed that's not really me. I love for my room to feel warm and inviting and bright and airy, along with having my floral prints, and I just love that farmhouse cottage style. So this room definitely speaks volume, and my husband and I love it. So let's get started with this room tour. So here's an overview of my bedroom. I love it so much and I'm really pleased with the outcome. So first I'm going to show y'all the paint color, because that was the biggest transformation ever. And I apologize for the lighting, but this color here is a garden rose white. It's a Bear brand we purchased from Home Depot. So this color actually reminds me of buttercream, y'all. I love to bake and that's what popped in my mind. so now I'm going to redirect y'all to my bedspread, which I love so much. It's a daisy print duvet cover. I'll link everything below. I got it from this Etsy shop. It's just great quality work. It's so soft and durable, and look at this print, y'all. Who doesn't love daisies, right? And I love that it have like a neutral background, but this is just so pretty and it's still simple and it brings in that farmhouse cottage style that I love, and with the touch of romance. So I love that whole look together. And here I have my plaid pillow that I thrifted. Just love that plaid floral print combination. So this is just so perfect for my bed. And I did order a king size duvet cover so it could drape along the side, because I hate bed skirts and this is just like a perfect fit. So at the foot of my bed, since I have a small room, I needed extra storage. You may have noticed I have no dresser in my room because we have a large walk-in closet that's great on storage as well. So I did want to add a special touch and bringing in this antique storage bench that I got off of Facebook Marketplace. So in this storage bench, it's loaded with extra comforters and it's just perfect. This rug I only paid $50 for off of Facebook Marketplace as well, from the same seller. So I saved money there. Excuse the paint. I gotta take that off, but we was painting. But here is a vintage style fan that I ordered off of Etsy, and you may notice that little broken spot, but this fan works great, y'all, and I love to use it by my nightstand, but I just sit it here for now. And I just love old looking things like this. This is how I look in the back. I did share my Etsy haul. I'll link that if you missed it, but it's great to see my vision come to life, and I just think it's so pretty sitting right there on the bench until I use it. On the left side of the bed is the nightstand that I thrifted and did a DIY refreshing look on. It still is holding on pretty good and I love the outcome of it. Here I have a mason jar lamp, y'all. This is just my dream. I love country decor, and you can also like put some dried flowers on the inside or shells. Here are some dried daisies that I also purchased off an Etsy shop. They're so delicate and it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love flowers, and this is great for me to keep like every single day. So I just think that looks so pretty. I like that wow look, and I have it in this thrifted vase that I actually got for free because I dropped it in the thrift store and I just glued it together, and they said I could just keep it for free. So I love seeing that crack. It really make it look aged and everything. And this fell out, but I love the way it just landed in that spot and it looks so natural. So I really love my side of the bed. And on this mason jar lamp, this is a burlap cover. And I wanted to keep everything very simple. I didn't want to add nothing else on our nightstands because it'll make it look cluttered, and I'm really focusing on minimizing my space. So that's all for my nightstand. And above my side, I have this beautiful daisy floral print from this shop off of Etsy as well. Look at that, y'all. That is so gorgeous, the way that look over there. On the right side, which is my husband's side, I just have the mason jar lamp with a doily, pretty much, a lace doily. Keeping it simple, as I said. And this is another thrifted item where I gave it a good coat of chalk paint, and it's still holding up pretty well. Above is this other floral print from the same seller. Above the bed, you see a cross that I also thrifted. So my shears are just temporary. I am undecisive about choosing like plaid curtains or maybe some ruffle kind. Comment down below, what do y'all think? Should I go with the plaid look or ruffles? But I just wanted to dress up my window a little bit more, but I'm using what I have right now, but they'll do in the meantime. And yeah, you can't go wrong with white shears. So I have that on this side as well. And over to my right, here is a rocking chair that I also thrifted with a thrifted pillow. This beautiful quilt was handmade by a mother from my husband and I church. She passed away and she gave it to us as a wedding gift. So a keepsake, and I just drape it along the rocking chair. And here I have a basket that I also actually use for laundry reasons, but I thrifted as well. I just think it looks so cute, like right here next to the rocking chair, and it kind of hides that cable cord that's bothering me. But yeah, this is that adorable little corner. And above the rocking chair, I have just a collage of photos of my husband and I. This picture in the middle was from when we were dating. Well, I think it was like our 3rd year anniversary. And these are wedding photos. Yeah, I'm looking for 2 more to maybe put one right here and right there, and then that'll be finished. But I love the way it looks so far. Now here's the other side of my room. I decided to keep it, as you can see, very simple. This clock here, y'all, I purchased off of Etsy, and the seller was Nicole. Y'all probably already familiar with Nicole from Nest and Haven. She have like a great selection of vintage items, and I just love her Etsy shop. I just love when she do them live auctions. I just love her channel. So Nicole, if you're watching, this is how I decorated that vintage clock. It's just so perfect. If you look closely, it's like that farm, what's that, like a barn right there, and it coordinates with my room perfectly. I love that piece. Didn't want to overcrowd it with items. I really want this clock just to be the spotlight for this wall space. And over here is the closet door. It's another Etsy item. I just think it's so cute. It's just this wood plank of daisies. I just wanted something to dangle on our closet door, so when we open it, I just like little stuff like that. It don't really have to make much sense, but I just love the look of it. So yeah, so that's how this wall look. So I'm redirecting y'all right now to the door of our bedroom, and this is another thrifted find. My husband placed this, I'm not sure exactly what to call it, but I'm gonna say a hanger on the back door, and I'm going to use it to hang my purse on or my jacket. And here I have my straw hat that I work in the yard with. So I'm really just trying to keep things extra neat and use every ounce of my house since I have a small space. I just think that little added touch really dresses up this area. And here is my linen closet. So yeah, so that's pretty much everything in that area. Here's the completed look of my bedroom remodel on a budget. I can finally cross this off my summer to-do list. Alright y'all, so that's going to wrap it up with this budget-friendly bedroom tour. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I am really loving this space so much, and I'm pumped to tackle more projects around my home. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more. Alright y'all, so be blessed, and we'll chat soon. Bye y'all.